back to Frontline Eurosports Online. Your host Nate Jennings is here with a 2019 BMW R1250GSA Adventure. Yes, it's November. It's chilly back here in the West Wing, and we weren't expecting this yet, but we got it. And this is going to Mr. Jones, and that's probably why I got it so early, is because he's going to be taking this ice gray R1250GSA. So we're going to get Josh to uncrate it so you can see it in all its glory in that new color for 2019. Let's do it, Josh. Aren't getting any sneak peeks this time. We're going to wait until that thing's fully opened up for a grand unveiling. There's an attribute I wasn't expecting on that one. There's another attribute that's new. This is going to be a hot rod. You're going to like this, Mr. Jones. Josh is getting all the packet stuff out there. So you got the windscreen and some other items, little care package of goodies like mirrors that are going to be going on the motorcycle. Then we pull the tabs to unleash the actual freight. And bada! So this is going to be our R1250GSA Adventure in that ice gray. Look at the red saddle going on here, our accenting of the R1250 on the top of that. I hope I've been saying R1250. It's a condition response to say 1200 since 2005. So we got all the same switch cubes, TFT, keyless ride, gear shift assist pro. They did do a change on the lid here. We got a black lid for our key fob or our toll money, whatever we want. A beautiful aluminum tank. Oh my God. You gotta get a closer look at that. Running the Bridgestones on this one as well. Nice. The tank pops a little bit more, huh? Excellent. I like that. I like the trim panels that we've got down in the lower portion that you can see from here. So our engine protection bars, new trim panels down here on the lower portion there for the radiator. Made our BMW logo pop out a little bit further on the access for our coolant overflow. So, we like it. Hope you like it as well. Thanks for watching Frontline Eurosports Online as we uncrate a 2019 R1250GSA Adventure in the ice gray. Thanks for watching Frontline Eurosports Online, and have a beautiful day.